Hi everyone. I will be discuss about the acclimation to exercise in the heat. From the word acclimation, it is the process by which the body gradually adjusts to a new environment or condition such as heat, cold, or altitude over time. It helps the body function more efficiently and reduces physical stress in those conditions. In the context of exercise in the heat, acclimation means your body is adapting to perform better and more safely in hot temperatures through repeated exposure. First, we will define what is heat acclimation. Heat acclimation or heat acclimatization refers to the body's physiological adaptation that occurs response to repeated exposure to heat, improving its ability to cope with heat stress during exercise. This process enhances thermoregulation, allowing the body to maintain a stable core temperature more efficiently in a hot environment. Especially for those who are athletes, heat acclimation is a crucial part of their training when preparing to compete in hot or humid environment. It can enhance their performance, reduce the risk of heat-related illness, and improve their recovery. How the body adapt? Repeated exposure to heat triggers several case adaptations. We have mechanism of adaptation. There are four mechanism adaptation. First, increased sweat production. Second, improved cardiovascular function. Third is reduced risk or heat injury. And lastly, reduced perceived exertion. First, increased sweat production. After acclimatization, the body begins to sweat more efficiently and at lower skin temperatures, which is helps dissipate heat more effectively. Second, improving cardiovascular function. The heart becomes more efficient, pumping more blood with less effort, which is reduces cardiovascular strain during physical activity in the heat. Reduce risk of heat injury. This adaptation helps prevent heat-related illness such as heat stroke, heat exhaustion, and dehydration. Lastly, reduce perceived exertion. Physical activities in the heat feels less strenuous. As a result, individuals or especially to those athletes can train and compete more effectively, recover faster, and stay safer during exercise in the heat. Why it matters? Heat acclimatization is a vital for preventing heat-related illness, especially during strenuous physical activity in a hot environments. It improves performance and reduces discomfort during exercise in the heat. Let's go to the importance of acclimatization. It enhances performance and improves tolerance. Enhanced performance. Athletes and active individuals can perform better in hot environments, maintaining core temperature and fluid balance more effectively. Last is improved tolerance. Acclimatization reduces the perception of effort in the heat and increase comfort during exposure to high temperatures. Next is acclimatization process. Gradual exposure, exercise in the heat, hydration, and electrolytes balance. These three are the importance when we process acclimatization. Gradual exposure. It requires 10 to 14 days of progress exposure to hot conditions to allow adaptations to develop. Exercise in the heat. Physical activity in hot environments is the key to stimulate the necessary physiological changes. Last is hydration and electrolyte balance. Maintaining fluid and electrolytes level is essential to support this adaptation and prevent dehydration. Lastly, let's go to the benefits of acclimatization. First, improve thermal comfort. Second, reduce risk of heat injury. Third is enhance exercise performance. In improved thermal comfort, acclimation allows the body to more effectively regulate temperature and maintain a comfortable core temperature in a hot environment. Second, reduce risk of heat injuries. Significantly lower the chances of a serious heat-related illness. Lastly, enhance exercise performance. Acclimatization allows individuals to exercise for longer durations and at higher intensity in a heat. So those are the benefits of acclimatization. Who can benefit? Anyone who spends significant time in a hot environment or engaging in a strenuous physical activity during hot weather can benefit from heat acclimatization. It includes athletes, military personnel, construction worker, and anyone working outdoors in a hot condition, especially to those athletes who are heat acclimated. They can often perform at a higher level and maintain their performance longer in a hot environment. So, in summary, heat acclimatization is the process by which the body adapts to repeated heat exposure, leading to a better thermoregulation, reduced strain, and improved tolerance. Key adaptations include increased and more efficient sweating, improved heart function, and a lower risk of heat-related illness. So this process typically takes 10 to 14 days and involves gradual exposure, physical activity in the heat, and proper hydration. So for my conclusion, through physiological changes, individuals can perform better and stay safer in the heat. Whether for athletes, workers, or everyday individuals, proper acclimatization supports health, comfort, and optimal performance when facing high temperatures. That's all for my report. Thank you.